In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to change the RGB lighting for your TP-Link BE19000 Archer GE800 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router. Now there's a button to change the lighting on the router right at the front. In order to change that, press and hold the button over here. There are various RGB lighting that you can select. Press and hold the button and it will change accordingly. So you can play around with the different RGB lighting and select the one that you want to use. So this is how you change the lighting for your TP-Link BE19000 Archer GE800 tri-band Wi-Fi 7 gaming router.